How to fix OneDrive error code 0x8004de45 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If the latest version listed there matches with the one on your app, you are up to date. If the version does not match, simply click on Download OneDrive for Windows, follow the installation instructions and it will install the latest version on your device. A stable internet connection is necessary for OneDrive to authenticate and sync files. If that didn't work, sometimes, firewall or antivirus programs can interfere with OneDrive's connection. Temporarily disabling them can help identify if they're causing the error. If that didn't work, after this command is executed, the app should be reset, and OneDrive should open. If that didn't work, OneDrive stores credentials in the Windows Credential Manager, and clearing them can resolve authentication issues. Remove all OneDrive credentials as required. Sign in again. Now try again and your problem should be fixed.